Best drones. Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Flip. Experience the thrill of flight and capture stunning aerial visuals with the DJI Flip, designed for first-time pilots and photography enthusiasts alike. Weighing just 249 grams, this ultralight drone doesn't require FAA registration, making it incredibly convenient for recreational use. Safety is paramount. Integrated propeller guards and forward obstacle sensors help prevent accidents, so you can focus on flying and capturing perfect shots. The DJI Flip is highly versatile in control options. Use the included remote control for a traditional flying experience, or opt for smartphone or on-aircraft controls through the DJI app. Its intuitive interface makes taking off, maneuvering, and landing effortless for beginners, while advanced features satisfy experienced users. Capture professional-grade photos and video with a 48MP camera capable of shooting in RAW, DNG, or JPG formats, and stabilized 4K 60 video with 10-bit color. The flat D-Log-M video profile provides flexibility for color grading, making it ideal for content creators who want complete control in post-production. With compact dimensions of 3.1 by 11.0 by 9.2 inches and 4 rotors, the DJI Flip offers remarkable agility and responsiveness. Live video feeds stream in 1080p, giving you real-time visuals from the air. Media can be saved internally or to a microSD XC card, providing ample storage options for extended flights. Perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and photo/video enthusiasts, the DJI Flip combines safety, portability, and professional-level imaging in one sleek, easy-to-use drone. Take flight with confidence and elevate your creative vision with the DJI Flip. Key specs: 249g weight for rotors, 4K 60 video, 12MP/48MP photos, integrated camera with gimbal, forward obstacle sensors, smartphone or dedicated remote control, 1080p live feed, internal and microSD XC storage. Number 2. DJI Mini 3. Take your aerial creativity to new heights with the DJI Mini 3, a lightweight and versatile drone perfect for beginners, recreational flyers, and content creators alike. Weighing just 249 grams, it doesn't require FAA registration for casual flights, making it an ideal choice for hobbyists. Despite its small size, the Mini 3 packs impressive features designed to elevate your flying and filming experience. The Mini 3's camera captures stunning 4K 30 video with HDR-like quality, supporting both landscape and vertical orientations, plus a 60-degree upward tilt for unique perspectives. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate its 12MP stills, available in JPG or RAW DNG formats, while the f1.7 optics perform beautifully during dawn and dusk. Real-time 1080p video feed ensures you see every detail from the sky, while internal gimbal stabilization keeps your footage smooth and professional-looking. Safety is a priority with GPS-assisted flight, Find My Drone, and Return to Home features, giving peace of mind during every adventure. While obstacle detection isn't included, the Mini 3's stability and intuitive controls make it easy for beginners to navigate confidently. Flight times of up to 38 minutes provide ample opportunity to explore, and optional extended batteries can increase flight duration for longer missions. Perfect for recreational flyers, YouTube or TikTok content creators, and licensed pilots who need remote ID, the DJI Mini 3 delivers portability, reliable performance, and high-quality imaging in a sleek, easy-to-use package. Capture breathtaking aerial footage wherever your adventures take you. Key specs: 249g weight for rotors, 4K 30 video, 12MP photos, integrated camera with gimbal, a GPS and return to home, 1080p live feed, microSD XC storage, dedicated remote with app support. Number 3. Potensic Atom 2. The Potensic Atom 2 is a compact and versatile drone that delivers professional quality aerial imaging without the hefty price tag. Weighing just 249 grams, this lightweight quadcopter avoids FAA registration for recreational use, making it an excellent choice for beginners and hobbyists. Despite its small size, the Atom 2 is packed with features designed to give you a smooth, enjoyable, and reliable flying experience. Equipped with a 4K 30 camera mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, the Atom 2 captures stable, cinematic video while snapping crisp 12MP or 48MP stills. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the RAW DNG option, which allows for full creative control in post-processing. Live video feeds stream in 1080p, making it easy to frame shots and capture the perfect aerial perspective. Flight performance is impressive, with up to 32 minutes of airtime per battery, giving you plenty of opportunity to explore, film, or practice piloting skills. The included dedicated remote control ensures intuitive handling, while integrated GPS assists with stability and supports a return-to-home function for added peace of mind. Although the Atom 2 lacks obstacle avoidance, careful flying near obstacles makes it a reliable option for new pilots. For licensed FAA/SUAS pilots, the built-in Remote ID module enables professional applications, including real estate photography, monetized content creation, and stock footage production. Recreational flyers, beginners, and professional content creators alike will find the Potensic Atom 2 a compact, capable, and budget-friendly solution for high-quality aerial imaging. Key specs: 249G weight for rotors, 4K 30 video, 12MP/48MP photos, integrated camera with 3-axis gimbal, a GPS and return to home, 1080p live feed, microSD storage, dedicated remote with app support. Number 4. DJI Neo. Capture stunning selfies and scenic aerial shots with the DJI Neo, a lightweight and compact drone designed for effortless fun and creativity. Weighing just 4.8 ounces, the Neo is small enough to avoid FAA registration in the US, making it an ideal choice for beginners, casual flyers, and anyone looking to elevate their social media content. Its built-in propeller guards provide added safety, so you can confidently launch and land the drone from the palm of your hand. The Neo features a 4K camera with a stabilized gimbal, delivering smooth, steady videos and crisp 12MP still photos. Live video feeds stream in 1080p, making it easy to frame shots and capture the perfect selfie or landscape scene. The drone supports automated flight paths and simple on-drone controls, so even first-time pilots can achieve cinematic footage with minimal effort. For those who want more control, it can be flown manually via a smartphone app, with the option to purchase a dedicated remote for extended range and tactile control. With an 18-minute flight time per battery, the DJI Neo provides plenty of opportunity for creative exploration. While it lacks advanced video profiles and remote ID for professional applications, its affordable $199 starting price and intuitive features make it perfect for recreational use. Whether you're a beginner, selfie enthusiast, or hobbyist pilot, the DJI Neo combines portability, safety, and easy-to-use controls in a compact package. Take off from your hand, snap beautiful aerial selfies, and share your adventures on social media with this fun and budget-friendly drone. Key specs: 4.8-ounce weight for rotors, 4K video, 12MP photos, integrated gimbal, automated flight paths, smartphone control, 1080p live feed, internal media storage. Number 5. DJI Avata 2. Experience the thrill of flight like never before with the DJI Avata 2, a first-person view, FPV, drone designed to put you in the cockpit of a nimble, agile aircraft. Unlike traditional camera drones, the Avata 2 is built for adrenaline-inducing maneuvers, zip through tight spaces, perform flips, barrel rolls, loops, and vertical plunges, all while streaming an ultra-low latency live feed directly to your goggles. This drone isn't just for capturing wide-open vistas, it's for experiencing and recording high-octane aerial adventures with unmatched precision. The DJI Avata 2 makes FPV flying more approachable with its beginner-friendly features. Its motion-sensitive controller allows you to easily navigate, brake, and hover in midair, reducing the learning curve compared to traditional twin-stick FPV drones. Capture stunning footage at 4K per 60 frames per second or 2.7K per 120 frames per second, giving you cinematic quality video from daring angles. While automatic obstacle avoidance isn't included, the drone's responsive controls and quick hover capability make it forgiving for newcomers. Included with the Avata 2 are high-quality goggles featuring micro-OLED screens, adjustable interpupillary distance, and diopter correction, delivering crystal-clear visuals even for pilots who wear glasses. For advanced maneuvers, like steep dives or extreme stunts, the optional DJI Remote Controller 3 provides a gamepad-style interface for complete control. Perfect for hobbyists, FPV enthusiasts, and aspiring drone racers, the DJI Avata 2 combines immersive flight, intuitive controls, and professional quality video in one compact, thrilling package. Take flight, push your skills, and capture heart-pounding aerial footage like never before. Key specs: FPV drone, 4K per 60 frames per second video, 2.7K per 120 frames per second video, motion-sensitive controller, micro OLED goggles, adjustable IPD and diopter, hover and brake capability, optional DJI Remote Controller 3.